report, Dayton Wright Brothers.
Green light, Charlie, what's the request deviation?
Here we are on the base leg for Dayton Wright Brothers. Looks like I'm a little close. Alright, so this is going to be a short final. Dayton Wright Brothers traffic scout number 121 Alpha, turning short final runway 20, Dayton Wright Brothers. Full stop landing. Okay, so this powered idle already because it's short final. Yeah, I'm all red, but that's okay because I'm going to make the runway and it's going to be a good landing. Just keep telling yourself that. It's going to be a good landing. It's going to be a good landing. I'm going to flare right over the numbers. And going to gently pull back. Bleed off some of the airspeed here. The stall warning, and boom, beautiful. Still pulling back on the yoke. I'm going to go ahead and miss the Bravo exit and take the Charlie exit down here. Okay, go ahead and relax the yoke.